Okay, hold on. Let me open this. Ooh, my kitties will like those. Oh, thank you for the note. I'm glad I made you one. I can't thank you enough for doing this trade with me again. And it's okay if you couldn't find his leg. I'm sure everything's going to work out fine. And what is this? You. Oh, thank you, Folds and Hearts TV. You have no idea you're going to send me another one. I am definitely going to customize this one. Thank you so much. And this one's so pretty. No offense, but this one's better than the other one. Oh, she's pretty. Now let's look at Seabiscuit. And wow, who cares about the broken leg? He's nice. A few rubs, but nothing, no pastels can't patch up. Thank you, Folds and Hearts 344, and thank you for the surprise. Thank you. Really, thank you.